Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 7th of January. The euro is weakening against most of its major counterparts following the Federal Open Market Committee minutes released on Thursday and the non-farm payroll print on Friday. Fed's latest meeting revealed a carefully hawkish tone, and this, in addition to the higher-than-expected NFP figure, gives room for expectations on the central bank scaling down its quantitative easing programme. The highlights for the week are the interest rate decision by the Bank of England and the European Central Bank on Thursday. The euro is trading just above 130.30 level against the US dollar, and a break below this figure could push the single currency lower. The Japanese yen is strengthening against the US dollar, while the greenback is rising versus the Australian dollar, the British pound and the Swiss franc. The US 500, which tracks the SPI, recorded a high at 146,251 on Friday, a level not seen since 2007 after breaking through the 146.0 resistance. However, it hasn't managed to hold on to this level, and it now trades at around 145.5. Gold dived by more than $60 an ounce on Thursday and Friday from 168,987 to 162,571, but the precious metal managed to pull back and retrieve some of its losses. It's now trading at around 1,660 after a small rally during the Asian session. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.30. The dollar-yen pivot point at 87.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 87.55. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 104.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.55. The sterling-dollar pivot point at 161.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 161.10. And the dollar-CAD pivot point at 0.9905 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9905. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point at 91.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 91.30. The gold pivot point at 1648 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1648. The silver pivot point at 29.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 29.90. The US 500 is at 1417 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1417. And the UK 100 is at 5960 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5960. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we have the Halifax House Price Index month-on-month in December, forecast to rise by 0.2%. In Europe, we have the Centix Investor Confidence for January, forecast to rise to minus 13.7. And in Canada, we have the IV PMI in December, forecast to rise to 51.3. And our interesting pair of the day is the gold-euro. Gold has been strengthening against the euro throughout the Asian session today. The precious metal took out the major support level found at 1273, and if it manages to hold above it with the European session commences, higher highs could be attained. Thank you for watching our daily outlook for the 7th of January. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Mary Jo from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good week.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.